What's up, everybody? Yesterday we got this play button, and today we're unboxing it.
100K. Josh is my brother-in-law, and then he was like, I want to be part of the unboxing video when you get your play button. And I'm like, I don't even know if I'm gonna get 100K. And you're like, of course you're gonna get 100K. Now that we did, we're gonna do the unboxing together. So thank you, Josh. Thank you for helping me with this.
You're welcome.
Obviously, thank you everybody for all the support, watching my videos. It's extremely humbling, and I'm so excited to share this moment with you and with Josh because he is the main reason why we're doing this video. I'm so excited for this. All right, what do I do, Josh? How do I unbox this thing? What do I do?
I don't have an idea, but I think you could just like use like a pocket knife where you could just go like, just like.
Okay.
I think it's a tape. There's probably some tapes you could do that with.
What if I use, here, I have a piece of metal that I can use. This is the invite I got from attending this Cybertruck delivery event, and it's got some pretty sharp edges. I'm gonna use it. Let's see how it goes. Ready?
Yeah, make sure not to cut it yourself, because that would be a problem.
Okay, I will, let me see if I, just kidding. Here we go.
I knew that.
All right, so there is one piece of tape.
You gotta get the...
Oh, this actually works pretty well.
And now, can you open it? Like, try to open it.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna open.
Yeah, pull.
Should I open it?
Yeah, open it. Pull up what's inside.
Ready? Slowly or fast?
Slowly.
All right, ready? Can you do a drum? Can you do like a hype, like a drum roll or something? Oh, there's. Should I remove this too?
Yeah, remove it.
All right, ready?
Probably something there.
Oh, there's a letter.
There's a letter.
There's a letter. Should I read the letter?
Yeah, read the letter. Like.
Okay, let me see. Wait, I just dropped something. Hold on. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Woo! Awesome. All right, and yeah, this is crazy. And now here, for all to see, is a silver play button. Look at that. Oh, there's more stuff in here.
Hang it on a wall so everyone can see it.
Why there's so many things in this box?
In all the other videos you can make, you can put it up somewhere. Doesn't matter where.
All right, ready?
You're ready.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh,
it's
so much glare. Look at all that glare. What do you think?
Yeah. You
Pretty
could barely see the name, like, presented to Farzad for passing 100,000 subscribers.
It sure does. Presenting to Farzad for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow. This is so cool.
You're gonna get another one when you hit 1 million. It's gonna be gold.
You think I'm gonna hit 1 million subscribers?
Possibly.
Okay. Are you gonna help me unbox that one too?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, awesome.
It's like the same. It's the same procedure.
You just open the box and you show it to the people? Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then 10 million is, it's kind of like that, but it's just like a giant plate. It's like a giant YouTube logo. It's made of ruby.
Okay, well, I don't know if I'm going to hit that one, but if I do, I need your help there too.
10 million is diamond, 100 million is ruby. Which is probably, like, only a few YouTubers have it, like Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, and T-Series.
Okay, so I need to be as big as them to get the ruby one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, are you going to help me get there?
Yeah. Okay,
awesome. Well, I really appreciate it. This is really cool. Thank you all so much for supporting the channel. This is yours more than anyone's, honestly. I can't wait to proudly hang this on my wall. I got to figure out where to put it. There's some holes there in the back for me to hang up. Probably back there somewhere, right? Probably
yeah, it could be anywhere. Just make sure there's room. Now you can go flex on all of your flex on Cindy that you have 100K.
I want to flex on my wife. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah.
Thank you to all of your fans. All of our fans. The robots are happy that he got the play button.
This is a very exciting day, and I'm sure you noticed something on my face this whole time. There will be videos coming about that very, very soon. And yeah, thank you, Josh. Really appreciate you, buddy. Love you, man.
Bye.
Bye.